Hello, viewer. We are meeting after a long time, and yes, there's a huge gap, and I was busy with some personal work. So this video is related to a tool issue which is called Handbrake, and I faced this problem, and the way that it is fixed. I thought to share these tips with you. Maybe it is useful for you if you are also making videos. Then it is really these tips will be really helpful for you. So the Handbrake tool. Let me open the Handbrake site. So this is a open source free tool, and what it does, what the video you make actually, it does a very good compression of the video, reduce the size of the video, because when you upload the video to the YouTube or any other website, it is always good that you should have a very minimal video size. The one of the beauty of this tool is basically it maintains the quality of the video very well. So without affecting the quality, it reduces the size of the video. The compression is very good. But what happens when you install this tool? Actually, you face one problem. Okay, click I download. There's a 1.5.1 version of this tool. It is downloaded, and when I click to install it, it is very fast. Finish, and I have an icon here. So when I click here, you face this problem. To run this application, you must install missing frameworks for .NET. And says that would you like to download it? If you go click yes, it will take you to the .NET framework, and if you download this .NET, do all the things, even though problem doesn't fix. I don't want to download and show you, but trust me, the problem is to persist. Download it, run it, and then again if you run the tool, the problem will be there, that it will show the same error. So I did some analysis and I found that one with Windows 10 actually this latest version of this Handbrake tool doesn't support. So if I go to the Handbrake website again, and if you type handbrake.fro.php, then you can see all the old releases of this tool. Okay, and what I observed that the latest version which is supported on the Windows 10 is 1.3.2. So if you even go, sorry, 1.1.3, I believe, let me try 1.3.3. Even if you go and install 1.4, you will find this issue. So let me show you that one and remove this program. So you can see that one 1.5.1 tool is available here. I'm uninstalling it, is latest one. Yes, okay. I go here and I'm installing this 1.4.0. My system is 64-bit. I'm using this GUI version 1.4.0 x86 win GUI, not zip exe I will use. So the moment you click, it will start downloading. Install it. Next. So I want to show you that when I have removed the tool, and right now you can see that when there is, okay, is there an icon? Okay, do you want to delete the shortcut? Yes, remove it, because right now this tool is not there. So install it, finish. It is created the icon. If you click it, see, to run this application you must install .NET. Okay, I will click no, and I will go and I will uninstall this tool. You can see that one, this is the 1.4.0. So I will uninstall it. Done. And after installation, I observe that when it is not removing the icon, not sure why, I just click, it will remove it. Now the fix is, like I mentioned, you install 1.3.3. So again, I'm going to pick the Handbrake 1.3.3 x86 WinGUI exe. Where is WinGUI exe? It is here. Click it. Yes. Next. 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 Finish the installation. And you can see that 1.3.3 is start. It is icon here. Click. And it is working.